Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing both lines, one physical nano SIM and an eSIM profile. First, make sure your carrier allows eSIM on Pixel 7 and that Android is updated. This prevents provisioning errors. Once done, power off, open the SIM tray with the tool, and place the nano SIM in the indicated slot, metal contacts down. Then reinsert the tray, power on, and unlock the phone so the system can detect the physical SIM while you move to activate the eSIM next. Now you activate the eSIM and configure both lines. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, then SIMs and tap Add Carrier. Choose to scan the carrier QR code or enter the activation code. This is how the carrier links your plan to the eSIM. After provisioning completes, label each line for clarity, such as work and personal, and set defaults for voice, SMS, and mobile data. Make sure to enable roaming or VO LTE per carrier instructions, so calls and data behave predictably. Finish by testing both lines. Place calls and send messages from each SIM and switch mobile data between them to confirm speeds and limits. If a line lacks service, toggle airplane mode, reboot and recheck SIM status. eSIM issues often clear after reprovisioning or rescanning the carrier QR. If problems persist, reset network settings but back up Wi-Fi passwords because that clears saved networks. Finally, if carrier activation still fails, contact carrier support and provide your eSIM ID and device details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.